What you got, Abby? What you got, Abby girl? Huh? What you got? Got your toys?
What's up, pretty cat? I'm sorry? Daniel's never gonna hook up with me if I keep throwing myself at him. Well, you know, just start drooling when you walk into the room. Dr. John's not last minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at all that stuff. Look at all them toys you got. You got tons of toys. You tell Grandma about it. You tell Grandma about it. Yeah. Mama. Dada. Mama, Dada. Mama, Dada. Mama, Dada. You like that spoon, don't you? You like that spoon? Yeah. You got a ball? You got a ball? They play patty cake? Patty cake, baker man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. I roll 'em in, I'm working with the bee. We put 'em in the oven for Abby and me. Ah. Don't put that in too far. Don't put that in too far. Should we sing? 100 bottles of milk on the wall. 100 bottles of milk. If one of them bottles should happen to fall, there'll be 99 bottles of milk on the wall. 99 bottles of milk on the wall. 99 bottles of milk. If one of them bottles should happen to fall, there'll be... Achoo! Achoo! Abby. 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 Choo! Abby. Abby. Choo! Choo!